Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your LG Velvet, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Right now we have to tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. We have to get this application from the routine developer. So click, install, and now just wait. Let's open it. Click allow. And here we have a lot of function that we can adjust, but just go back, tap on the settings. Here we have to go for the apps, tap on the default apps, click on the home application, and here we have to select our iOS launcher. Click OK, and we got it on this notification. And as you can see, that's how our theme has changed. Our launcher, not theme. And here we got also the widgets. You can edit, you can add some of them, then you have to grant the permission to get access, and we can try to edit the home screen icon. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!